Hey, how are y'all? I'm Courtney King, and I'm reading Dolly Parton's I Am a Rainbow. Colors make up our whole world, everything we say and do. But did you know each boy and girl is made of colors too? When I'm tickled pink, it means I'm feeling dandy. Everything is great and sweet as cotton candy. But guess what happens when my sister pulls my hair? Then I turn red. I'm angry as a bear. If Mommy says, "Time out," I pout for a minute or two. Then I get bored and sad, and I feel kind of blue. Sometimes I get jealous. Then I'm feeling green. That happens when I'm left out of a happy scene. When I'm feeling scared, kids call me yellow, but I can find my courage and be a brave fellow. When we all play together, it makes me feel so cozy. My mood is joyful and everything is rosy. So remember as you go from hue to hue that each and every person has feelings too. It's not always up to you the way that you feel, but how you act is a different deal. So be a rainbow, shine above, and filter all your glow through love. It's nature's way, these colors you show, so simply say, I am a rainbow. The end.